So as you guys can see, a lot of people come here to swim in the Pasig River. What if I were to tell you that I've swam in the Pasig River before with all these guys? Would you believe me? 1, 2, 3. The most famous river in the entire Philippines. What was once an important source of water and swimmable area, now extremely polluted and considered dead. Unable to sustain life. Treated like a community garbage dump, it's essentially a huge sewer system and has been declared dangerous to human contact. So, marami na akong ginawa na video where I really focus on pushing the limit, ika nga.
What a day! What a wonderful day, Gina!
I mean, that's part of my branding, it's what I do, step out of your comfort zone, living on the edge, do something wild and crazy. And sometimes, some people would consider these type of videos gross, sagwa. Some of them quite dangerous, and even life-threatening at times. Now, alam ko kung ano iniisip ng iba. Ang loko nito? Parang may maluwag tornilyo. Baka naman nalaglag siya nung sanggol pa siya and may tama sa utak tuloy. Ewan, pero baka tama ka. Pero lahat ng mga video ko ay may purpose. May dahilan talaga ako kung bakit nagbabuwisit buhay ako. Buwis buhay? Or is it buwis is tax? Basta may dahilan aside from entertainment. At itong video na to ay isa sa mga pinaka-delikado at kadiri na ganapan na ginanap ko, pero it was done for the greater good of the environment at para sa ating lipunan. Let me explain. Now, nung isang araw, nagising ako and the first thing that popped up on the balita on the front page of the National Geographic was this. This is a tributary that flows straight into the Pasig River and then eventually the ocean. So after seeing this, I figured it was finally time to release the Kraken, aka this video. Roll it.
We're here in the Philippines,
This is my childhood friend from Los Angeles, California. Atlee Feingold. She brought her friend Bridget along, and you might be wondering why I'm referring to them as victims. It's because this is a prank.
Gutom ka ba?
I'm doing well, thanks.
So innocent. Kawawa naman to. Sasabihan ko kayo kung bakit siya ang pinaka-best na biktima ng aking kalokohan. Si Atlee naman yung tipong kano na medyo wild. Happy-go-lucky. Game na game sa kahit anong trip. Ito ang first time niya makalakbay sa Asia. At ang gusto niya daw gawin is immerse in the Filipino culture amongst the locals. Tulad ng nakikita niya sa ginagawa ko sa mga vlog ko. So as we strolled along the streets of Makati, we came upon the Pasig River. Now I mentioned to them that it was a little dirty, but I didn't quite tell them how serious it really was. Luckily, there was a group of kids swimming in it, so I did my best to convince them to join.
Masarap ba?
Tingnan mo, nagsaswimming yung mga bagets. Okay lang yan, di ba?
So yeah, to convince them to swim, I had to do it with them.
Ang baho, grabe! Nakakatuwa kasi yung mga banyaga, hindi nila napansin na ang baho, ang dumi. They're just having fun, di ba? Supposed to be swimming here. This is a prank.
Sir, they're swimming here.
They don't understand that this was a prank. Hey, I guess they're having fun, diba?
Well, as cruel of a prank as it was, they didn't seem to mind much. Distracted by the laughter of the kids and all the commotion and crowds around, they really were just able to enjoy the moment and mingle with the locals. Fortunate enough for me, they weren't mad at all and they actually had fun.
Just a few years back, within my lifetime, the Pasig River used to be a glorious thing, like a natural water park that just flowed through the middle of Manila. And it could become that again, balang araw, if we all just do our part. One of the biggest issues in the Philippines is definitely its human impact on the environment. And it's really easy to blame the government or private sectors, but at the end of the day, it really comes down to us, you, me. And without discipline, there won't be progress. Now, alam nyo na to, but a reminder never hurts. At the end of the day, I think it's really just about being mindful. That's the simplest thing that we can do as individuals. But if you do want to take action and get more involved into it, I will leave the link of two separate organizations down below, the WWF and the Safe Palau and Seas Foundations. I've put my faith in both of these organizations, and I believe in what they're doing towards working to better preserve the Philippine wildlife and environment. And that's pretty much it. Please like this video as it'll help spread awareness for the situation. And for those who made it to the end of the video, leave a hashtag clean canteen and I'll just do a giveaway and send someone one of these clean canteen bottles. This isn't sponsored. I just really like this product and I encourage others to use it. And sometimes you just gotta do ridiculous things to grab attention. Having said that, I actually did get sick the next day after swimming in the Pasig River. Is it a coincidence? Maybe, maybe not. But fortunately enough, my two friends did not get sick. So that actually could have very much well been karma, since I kind of got them to swim in there without really telling them how bad it was. I mean, I did say it was dirty, but anyways, I wouldn't recommend swimming in the Pasig River. Don't go and do that. This was done by professionals with a purpose. Thank you very much, and this has been your public service announcement. Like a provincial version of Tupac. Kilala mo ba si Tupac, Irma? Tupac! Di mo alam Tupac? Yan ang inspirasyon ng sinasuot mo.